Hello everyone, Nikhil this side from Coding Beam. So guys, in this video we are going to install the IntelliJ on the Windows operating system. So we will be just directly go to the Chrome. So then we will be entering the IntelliJ. Then we will press the enter. So then you will see there will be the very first link of the jetbrains.com. So we will directly click on that link. So then you will see there will be the homepage of the IntelliJ idea. So now if we have to download, then we have to just click on the download option here. So we will just click on the download, just clicking on the download. So then you will be seeing there will be the options of the OS. So if you are on the Windows, then you can download from here, and if you are on the Mac OS, then you can directly from here, or on the Linux, then you can directly from this here. So you can choose accordingly, but I will now download from the Windows, and we will be downloading the community version. There is a ultimate also, because these are for the enterprise development. So if you are developing an enterprise level application, then I would recommend you to try the ultimate version. But now we will be downloading the community version here. So we will directly clicking on the download option here. So I will click on the download, and then we have to wait until it completes the downloading for me. So guys, now you can see the downloading has been completed. So I will directly open it from here. So I will click on it, and then you will be seeing the installation wizard within a moment here. So guys, you can see the installation wizard is here. So we have to click on the next. So then this will be the path where your IntelliJ will be installed. So we have to click again on the next. So now we have to create a desktop shortcut here. So we have to add to the Java also, like create the associations here. So we will click on the .java here, and then we have to add the bin folder to the path. So then again we will be clicking on the next. So then again we have to, and then it will be installed in a moment. So now the installation has been completed. So now we have to click on the I want to manually reboot later here. So we will directly clicking on the finish now. So now we will be going to the start, and now we will open the IntelliJ idea from here, from the start, and then you will be seeing it will be opened in a moment here. So it is here now. So we will directly clicking on the accept, and then we will continue. So then you will be seeing the screen of the IntelliJ here. So now you will see this will be the welcome screen of the IntelliJ. So then you can create a new project here by clicking on this icon here, and then we will be directly clicking on the next here. Or if you have to select the different JDK, then you can select from here, but I have installed the only 11, so it is showing me only the 11. So I will click on the 11, and then we have to click on the next. So then this is the creator project from the template. So if you will be clicking here, then there will be the simple hello world Java app. So this will be created for us. So we have to click again on the next. So then there will be the project name, there will be the hello world. So if we can click on the finish, then you will be seeing applying a template, then it will create a new project for us here. So then we have to wait for it. Now you will see the main.java will be opened here. So then if we can try running the app, like we will enter the system .out.println, and then in there it will be the hello world. So if we will be just running the app, so from there you can run this app from this icon. So if you will be clicking there, then you will see the hello world within a moment in the output. To see where will be the output here. So guys, you can see the output of this code is here, which is the hello world. So guys, thanks for watching the video. And guys, if you are facing any issues in the installing the IntelliJ, then you can ping us in the comment section, then we will be helping you out. And guys, please subscribe to the channel also, because we will be building the whole Java series here, and stay tuned for it.